If you want to uninstall OneDrive from Windows 11, this video will show you the fastest and easiest way to do it step by step. Whether you're trying to free up space, simplify your system, or just stop OneDrive from running on your PC, this guide will walk you through the entire process in a few simple clicks. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Windows 11 tips and computer tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open Windows settings. To do that, press Windows +I on your keyboard. That shortcut opens the Settings app right away, which is the easiest place to manage installed programs in Windows 11. Once Settings opens, look at the left side and click Apps. This is where Windows keeps your app and program settings. After that, click Installed Apps. This will bring up a full list of the applications currently installed on your computer, including Microsoft OneDrive. Now, in the search bar, type Microsoft OneDrive. As you type, Windows will filter the list so you can find it much faster instead of scrolling through everything manually. When OneDrive appears in the results, look to the right side of the app name and click the three-dot menu, also shown as the ellipsis icon. From that menu, click Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm the action, so go ahead and click Uninstall again to finalize it. This second confirmation helps make sure you really want to remove the app from your system. Now just wait a moment while Windows 11 removes OneDrive from the PC. Depending on your system, this may only take a few seconds. Once the process finishes, OneDrive will be uninstalled and no longer available as an app on your computer. If you don't see OneDrive right away, make sure you type the name correctly and check that you're in the installed apps section. On some devices, OneDrive may already be tied closely to your Microsoft account, so if you ever want to use it again later, you can reinstall it from the Microsoft Store or through Microsoft's official website. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled OneDrive from Windows 11 in just a few steps. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Windows 11 how-to guides, tips, and simple fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.